He's not coming.
Thank you, sir. I would like to now request our CIT CDS Prabhat sir to give a welcome address.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning to all of you. We are celebrating 75 years of independence, 75th Amrit Mahotsav. This is a celebration not just of reaching the milestone which we will reach in 2 years' time. This is also to take a pledge of national development, to develop each other. How do we take a pledge to develop the nation? How do we take a pledge? How do we take a pledge to develop the nation? How do we take a pledge for nation building? Let each of us take a pledge that we will develop each other. We will contribute to nation building just as we have been contributing. My best wishes to all of you, and a very warm welcome to our chief guest also. And now let the celebration begin. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to now take a few minutes to introduce our guest of honor today, Mr. Luke Coutinho. He's an award-winning and globally renowned integrative and holistic lifestyle coach. His unique community concept, You Care, All About You, has millions of ardent followers across the world. His approach towards prevention and recovery revolves around 4 pillars: balanced nutrition, adequate exercise, quality sleep, and emotional detox. An entrepreneur and an author of 4 bestsellers, Mr. Luke is also a pioneering figure of preventive care in India. He has won numerous awards, a few prominent ones being the Fit India Champion for Lifestyle and Wellness by Honorable PM Narendra Modi, and his recent felicitation by Governor of Maharashtra, His Excellency Bhagat Singh Koshyari, for impacting lives through his online and offline initiatives during the pandemic. In a world where accessible healthcare is a dream for many, Mr. Luke's free videos, blogs, challenges, e-books and budget programs have helped thousands successfully reverse lifestyle disorders. He is also a co-founder of Reset, a holistic living concept, You Care Lifestyle, India's trusted sustainable e-commerce platform, and the chief program mentor for integrative nutrition and dietetics courses at the Lifeless Sciences. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome. I would like to request you now to please speak a few words about prevention.
As Sir rightly spoke about building the nation, we also need to build our health. Today my job is to look after cancer patients, and if there's anything I've learned from diabetes and cancer and end-of-life diseases, it is prevention. And it's so nice to see so many people out today and this initiative to have cycling and exercise part of people's lifestyle. Because I think today most people are sick because of the lack of exercise, the lack of sleep, the lack of good food, and too much of stress. It's nice to see children out here, people of different ages participating in this amazing function today to grace 75 years. It is my wish that we understand that the most powerful medicine is prevention. While we can work hard an entire life and spend a lot of our money on medical bills later in life, we can also invest in prevention. And it doesn't have to be expensive. Simple things like cycling, simple things like embracing your local diet, eating with respect, sleeping well at night, and trying to find things in life that makes us happy. I hope that all of us can invest in our own
कौन तरी इंस्ट्रक्शन अभी टाइम है।
Everyone, today we've all gathered here to launch the cyclothon that the Income Tax Department is organizing as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, wherein we are celebrating the 75 years of independence. The purpose for our cycle rally today is to spread awareness about filing income tax returns on time and being a responsible taxpayer. Thank you so much. And we are very happy to inform that we have around 100 participants here, and I think we'll be finishing our cycle rally in another 30 minutes. I thank the youth hostel in charge here for helping us to organize and for all his support that he's given us. Thank you. Was it fine? Sorry. How are you?
First class.